This is a abandoned Payne air conditioner right here. That on a place that's abandoned, but they still use it, but they don't use this air conditioner anymore. It's still hooked up, honestly. Ugh. This is like in the middle of nowhere. There's a Janitrol, 1999 Janitrol on the other side. It's a Payne. It's got a Bristol compressor, reciprocating. Okay, let me see the dash sheet. This one's from 2002, and that's a 1.5 ton. 2002 Payne unit that has been working for a while. It's pretty old. Look at this, guys. It's hidden in those branches right here. It really needs to be cleaned. So, yeah, this might be for a vlog. For a vlog that I can find. Looks like the fan motor got replaced about a year ago. It's got a Fasco fan motor. I'm gonna try and get out of here. This unit has not been running over a while now. There's a suction line. The line's right there. It's got R22. It's from 2002. And it's a 1.5 ton straight cool unit. It's got a Bristol. It's in the middle of nowhere. I hope it still works, actually. The disconnect looks like it hasn't been opened. I don't know what that pan is matched up to. There's a really old Dayton fan right there. You know, if this was my place, I would take out the Payne and keep that. This is a Dayton fan right here. Because I know this says this logo right here. Dayton. And all the way over here is a Train package air conditioner that I filmed about 4 times, I think. No, actually it was 3 times. So this is a used air conditioner, 90,000 BTU from the 48th week of 2013. Straight cool unit. It's got a scroll compressor, like I remember the last time I was here. It's a straight cool unit. You can see it's a scroll. I don't know what type of fan motor that has. Over here, buddy.